on, my two-legged friends? Welcome back. We've got another 2-week board and train coming at you. This is my new friend Yoshi. That's right, coming at you all the way from the Mushroom Kingdom. We've got Yoshi here. He's only about 9 months old. As you can tell, he is a Siberian Husky, or as I like to call them, Siberian Nutskis, because they're absolutely wild and crazy. And I can say that because I've got one of my own. They like to jump on things. They like to chew on things. They like to destroy things. They don't like to walk nicely on the leash. So, you know what time it is. We're gonna teach Yoshi here how to be the goodest good boy that he can possibly be. How to hold a sit, how to hold it down, how to get on a place, how to heel and walk nicely on a leash. So, stick around, stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of fun along the way. I hope you enjoy it. Yoshi, are you ready? He said he's ready. Let's get it started. Woo! All right, it's time to see what this crazy boy is made of. Yoshi, place. All right. Yoshi, come. Good, come. Good boy. Good job. Yoshi, come. 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 All right, Yoshi, come. Okay. Yoshi, place. All right, he kind of shut down already here. Yoshi, come. 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 Good boy, good. Come. Sit. Come here, bud. Yep, all right. Yoshi, come. Come. Good boy, good. Come. Good boy, sit. All right. It looks like he is just shutting down already, doesn't want to do anything for me. He's feeling a little bit of leash pressure and he's just resisting that. So this guy wants to yank my arm off, as most Huskies do. Right, Yoshi? Ooh, man.
So it's not going to be easy. It's going to be really hard.
We're out here at Clemson University and we're gonna see what Yoshi knows after 2 weeks. Yoshi, let's get it.